Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Realme 13 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme 13 Pro. Also on Realme device, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Adjust camera access by tapping while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!